गाइस आपने पिछले वीडियो में देखा कि मैंने लॉयड क्यों चूज किया। लाया हूँ अपने ही बैचमेट को सृष्टि पाठक को, वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगी उन्होंने लॉयड क्यों चूज किया और उन्हें यहाँ आने के बाद क्या क्या डिफिकल्टीज देखने को मिली। तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। गाइस आपने पिछले वीडियो में देखा कि मैंने लॉयड क्यों चूज किया। अब मैं एमबीए सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट ऑफ लॉयड बिजनेस स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लाया हूँ अपने ही बैचमेट को सृष्टि पाठक को, वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगी कि उन्होंने लॉयड क्यों चूज किया और उन्हें यहाँ आने के बाद क्या क्या डिफिकल्टीज देखने को मिली और क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली। तो वेलकम सृष्टि, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। आप अपने अपकमिंग बैच को कुछ बताना चाहेंगी कि आपने लॉयड क्यों चूज किया, और उससे भी पहले प्लीज अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए।
So hi everyone, this is Shrishti, a second year MBA student of Lloyd Business School. Currently I'm doing my MBA in the minor of marketing and the major of HR. So if I talk about the difficulties I faced at the time of the admission, so there was so many queries. If I talk about the difficulties I faced at the time of admission, so there was so many, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था to whom to trust and whom to not to trust. So there was so many things, and if I talk about that why I chose Lloyd, so it was about so many things. There was so many points that I have covered into my mind, and I have just experience that was just into Lloyd's. If we talk about the colleges of the Greater Noida, so I talk about the number of students. If we talk about the other colleges of Greater Noida, so there are so many strengths that students are facing difficulties in connecting with faculties and teachers. And if we talk about Lloyd, so यहाँ पे what happens is कि जो number of students है वो less है, so that we get the opportunity to connect with the faculties, with the teachers, with the placement cells directly. So there are less number of students, so this is the best part. And if we talk about the other factors, that we have internship and job opportunities, we have our TPOs, the what we call it, the CTLD, our placement cell, yeah. So there are so many factors. Beyond that, we have this lavish green campus to experience and to make memories with. Yeah, so that considering all these factors, I chose Lloyd. And currently, if I talk about from my experience, since I have been studying here from last 1.5 years, so it has been so great, and connecting with teachers, students and everything, that was a great experience so far.
So thank you. दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो ये है, हाउ वुड यू रेट द फैकल्टी एंड द प्लेसमेंट सेल?
Okay, so if we talk about the faculty, they are very much cooperative, very much supportive, as well as they are experienced. Most of the faculties hold the ample amount of experience in the past. They have minimum experience of 10 to 15 years already. They have been in the teaching industry. And if I talk about the placement cell, then they are doing a great job on absolutely great job. At this time of internship, they have been connecting with the students. If I talk about the placement cell, the TPOs of our Lloyd Business School, then they are doing absolutely perfect job. I have myself experienced that because I have completed my internship. That was the on-campus internship. So it was coordinating with the TPOs was the excellent part. They have been supportive throughout. Everything was so good. So overall, I have experienced a very good environment if I talk about the faculties and as well as about the TPOs and the placement cell.
So Srishti, मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन ये है, what was the best thing you have ever experienced in this college?
Okay, so talking about my best experiences, I had experienced a positive environment for the growth, as well as a good infrastructure, the classroom and everything, labs and all, is the exposure to the events as well as to the activities. Beyond classroom, we have conducted many events. We have conducted the club events, and beyond that we have been doing many industrial visits like Amul, and beyond that we have been visiting Aapki Adalat. So overall, it was a very good experience, and all these things were required for the growth and the development of the student.
So Srishti, as you mentioned, you are a part of many college clubs. So can you please let me know what was your position in the club, and events क्या क्या होते हैं, and बच्चे उनमें कैसे participate कर सकते हैं, and club में selection का process क्या होता है?
So if I talk about my positions in the club, so I have been in 2 clubs. So I was the president of the marketing club, as well as I was the member of a T4 club, that was the PDP club, the overall skill development club. So and the process, if we talk about the process, it's very easy. आपके mails के ऊपर HOD sir के mails आते हैं, and through that you have to choose the clubs in which you want to be the part of. After that there will be the interview process, and based upon your interviews you will be getting to the clubs. And lastly, if I talk about the events that we have conducted in the club, so like there were so many events. हमने like दिवाली फेट भी करवाया था. Beyond that, there was so many others like GDs and debates, and overall there so many things were there. So Shashank, like if I ask you the same question, so like how many clubs you were associated with?
Yeah, thank you, Srishti. Guys, if I am talking about myself, I am the president of CSR Club and event manager in TIFO Club, which was known as PDP Club, and the secretary of HR Club. So, Srishti, would you recommend this college to anyone?
Yeah, I would like to like highly recommend this college as it provide the quality education and like quality over the quantity, and as well as to the exposure to the market, to the industries, to the visits, and yeah, like a college works on the overall development of the students that are required to pursue in corporate as well as to the market, whatever skills and growth and like everything is required.
61 more question. Could you please let me know how many offer letters you have right now?
So like currently I am having 3 offer letters, and like yeah, so I would like to like tell you guys that you should be like working on yourself, on your skills as well as on your personal growth, that you will be holding like so many offer letters that it depends on you कि वो आपके ऊपर choice रह जाए कि आपको कौन सा organization join करना है, like आपको कोई force ना करे कि आपको यही करना पड़ेगा. So like it should be up to you कि आप खुद को इतना enhance करें, खुद की personality पे as well अपनी skills पे इतना work करें कि आपके पास बहुत सारे opportunities हो, बहुत सारे offers हो, so that you can choose कि आपको क्या करना है. So like it was the best part कि मुझे वो opportunity मिली कि मैं choose कर पाई कि मुझे क्या करना है.
Thank you for joining us. आपका honest review I hope कि सारे student को help करे और
Thank you so much Shashank and thank you everyone.
So guys, I hope आपकी सारी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो गई हो. अगर अभी भी कोई क्वेश्चन आपके माइंड में है तो नीचे दिए हुए नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं, या मुझे इंस्टा पे रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, सो दैट आपकी जो भी क्वेरीज होगी वो सॉल्व कर दी जाएगी. और गाइस, अगर आपको एडमिशन प्रोसेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो फील फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट मी एनी टाइम. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.